Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Meghalaya has two important parts, Cherrapunji and Darkey. So let's start the first part of the video with Cherrapunji. This is a Tingamasi view that is visible throughout Cherrapunji. You have several viewpoints that you can do from. Cherrapunji is famous for the caves that they have and the fossils and other elements that were found there. So let us go to Arwa caves first, and then which is followed by Moss and Mud caves. This is the entry point where they charge 50 rupees for an adult. There is no guide as such near the cave area. There is just a person sitting on the counter to give entry tickets. You can walk through this area which is very scenic. It's usually empty during the day and weekends. All the information related to cave is provided out of the cave and in the board. There is also a small geographic survey of India's note here, and parts of the fossil that were found, showing different parts and explanation on that. So inside there is good amount of lighting. You can also capture videos and photos inside. It has beautiful carvings. Small and easy cave to explore. So after this cave we went to a village called Noklikai village, which is the name of waterfall that it has, and the waterfall is named behind a story of a woman named Kalikai who was a widow and had a daughter from this marriage. She remarried so that her daughter can have a lover father, but on the contrary her new husband hated the daughter. And as Kalikai gave all her time to the little one, he was really angry at the kid. So one day when she was away for work, the mother, he killed the little daughter, the little girl, and cooked her flesh as a meal. So when Kalikai was back from work, she was astonished not to see her daughter, but she was happy that her husband had cooked her a meal. Thinking her daughter was out playing, she enjoyed the food. Later, as she picked up the betel nut basket, she found her daughter's finger in it. She quickly realized she had eaten the flesh and meat of her own daughter in the food. So after this happened, she was in such grief and sadness that she rushed to the cliff and threw herself down and just killed herself.
This story is also famous among the Khasi speaking people in this state. This is the Mosmai cave, which is pretty accessible and easy to explore even by the elders. There are details of tickets and the map. There is no guide again who will take you through.
There is a viewpoint called Seven Sisters Fall where 7 streams of waterfall are seen in a line, but unfortunately this was in November and there was hardly any water for the waterfall to be flowing. So this is the route that we enter through. There's no entry ticket or anything for this, and as you can see there is no stream of water. There's a tiny water flow there, but it is supposed to be filled with 7 continuous streams and hence called the Seven Sisters. That is the Bangladesh view, Bangladesh land. This is the Eco Park, which has a small pool area. Also, there's an entry ticket of about 50 per person, and the viewpoint shows you the land of Bangladesh again. there. The next day we went to Doki, which is famous for the Asia's cleanest river, and there is Malingdong, which is the Asia's cleanest village. The route to Doki is a little rough. It will take you around 2 hours to make it from Shillong. It's always better to leave by 7 a.m. because by 9 the traffic picks up. The earlier you leave, the better. Because also, if you're renting a car or going with a taxi, it takes time to reach the places and return. This is the cleanest river of Asia, Doki, the Angkor River. It is said to be as deep as 20 feet on the deeper side of it. There is a camp where people stay overnight and take a morning dip in this water when there is nobody. No boating or anything has started. You can also take a dive and water activities here. This water is also drinkable. Yeah, there are changing rooms so that you can change into your swimming costume and just enjoy water for some time. Boating lasts about 45 minutes, after which you have to return in case you're not staying there. And only 3 people are allowed in the boat, in one boat, excluding the boatman. They are very experienced and friendly. This is 1 hour away from Doki, which is Maringnon village. So it's the cleanest village of Asia, on which the entire video is up on my channel already that you can watch for more details. There are homestays of their own inside the village, managed by the locals. There are phone numbers here on the video that you can refer and book in advance. Last but not the least, the Living Root Bridge. So yes, this is very touristy. I witnessed most of the crowd was here, and it's a very easy hike. There were also very old people going about it, like you can see. You're not supposed to climb on the root bridge or touch it. There are people there to whistle and come and stop you from doing that, so better not to embarrass yourself from doing that in order to preserve it, obviously. And you can see the guy in red t-shirt who actually came all the way to tell them not to sit on it. It's very well maintained and taken care of. Meghalaya is a must go. I hope this helped you a bit. Thank you for watching.